Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create an educational courses website using Shopify. First, be sure you check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. First, we're going to go over here to our product section. We're going to click on add product and here we're going to start filling all the blanks with our product's information. For example, here for our title, I'm going to start with my dropshipping course. Now we're going to copy our title here, and we're going to go over here to the description, and here we're going to click on generate text. We're going to paste our title. We're going to click on generate, and this way Shopify is going to use its built-in AI to create a description for us. Here we can either choose to generate a description again, or just click here to keep the one we already have. For media, we're going to click on upload new, and we're going to choose an image for our product. On our right, we're going to have a product type, vendor, collection, and tags section. For collection, make sure you add your product to your home page. And here in tags, we can put whichever one we would like. For example, I'm going to put educational courses. As you can see, here we also have a pricing section. Now let's say that I'm going to charge around 50,000 pesos for my courses, and my cost per item is going to be around the 30,000 pesos. This is going to leave us a 20,000 pesos profit at a 40% margin of profit. For inventory, we're just going to uncheck this because we're not going to keep track of it. And here we also can assign a weight to our product in case we're going to do any kind of shipping. Since we're providing a course, we're going to skip it. So here we're going to just save our change. As you can see here, if I go back, we would have our first product ready for our online store. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to click here on add product again, and I'm going to keep uploading all of the products that I want on my store. So I'll be back with you guys once I'm done. You can see here I have added a bunch of new products, for example, my stocks market course, my personal training course, and my coding course. So next what we're going to do is we're going to go to our online store and we're going to start to customize it. First, we're going to be able to change its theme, as you can see right over here. If we go down, we're going to have a bunch of different free themes to use. And if we want to shop for more of them, we can click here on visit theme shop. And we're going to be redirected to the Shopify theme store where we're going to be able to shop for a bunch of different themes, some of which may better suit our website. But for me, I'm just going to stick with the default one for now. So here we're going to click on customize and we're going to be able to change once it's done uploading here, we're going to be able to start customizing all of our sections. For example, you can see that I'm going to click on this section and it's going to be outlined by this blue line. On our top left, the name of the section is going to be displayed. On our right, we're going to have a bunch of different options to change our section. For example, this is our image banner. I'm going to click here on select to select an image to be our banner. For example, I'm going to choose this one, and once it's done uploading, I'm going to click on done. There you go. And the background of our banner is going to change. Now I'm going to click on our heading so we can change the text right over here. For example, I'm going to put welcome to my educational courses website. There you go. Now let's say that we want to add a new section to our website. We're going to go over here on the left to template and we're going to click on add section. Here we're going to have a bunch of different options such as a featured collection, featured product, collection list, rich text, etc, etc. For me, I'm just going to use a featured product, and here you can see that the new section is going to appear right at the bottom. On our right, we're going to go at the very top and we're going to click on select, and now we're going to select a product to be displayed right over here. For example, I'm going to choose my coding course, and as you can see, the new product is going to be displayed on our new section. Let's say that we want to change the color scheme a bit to match the vibe. For example, we're going to put a nice dark theme. Now another thing that can happen is that, for example, we have added a new section by mistake. For example, let's add this new featured collection. Now in order to delete it, what we're going to do is make sure to have this section we want to delete selected, and once it's selected, we're going to go over here on the bottom right and we're going to click on remove section. As you can see, this section is going to be completely removed. We can also add sections to our footer. Over here, we can add an email sign up and a custom liquid. And the same goes for our header. We can also add over here a custom liquid or an announcement bar. Another very important thing about our header is going to be that right over here, our store's name is going to be displayed. So in order to change it, what we're going to do is we're going to save our changes. We're going to exit, and here we're going to go to the homepage of Shopify, name your store, name store again, and once we are here, we're going to be able to change our store's name. I'm just going to put educational courses. I'm going to save, and in order to make sure that everything is correct, we're going to go to our online store. Here we're going to click on the three dots, we're going to click on preview, and this is going to redirect us to our website. As you can see here on our header, the name of our store has now changed, and if we go down, we can make sure that everything else is set up just the way we want. So once we are done checking out our website, we're going to go back over here in order to go over the analytics and marketing section. And next we're going to go over here to the analytics section. Now this is going to be a really important section for us, guys, because here we're going to be able to see our total sales, our sales by channel, our total orders, the average order value, and many different things, such as for example which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customers, among many other things and information, which is going to really help us manage and customize our website and our business all from the same place. Lastly, I wanted to show you the discount section here. If we go to discount, I'm going to click on add discount. We are going to choose an amount of products, and here we're going to be able to customize our own discount for our online store. For example, here we can choose the code. Let's say we're going to put code 101, or we can just click over here and Shopify is going to provide us a random code for us. Below it, we can choose which kind of discount it's going to be, either a fixed amount or a percentage amount. I'm going to choose a percentage, and let's say we're going to have a 10% discount. Below it, we can choose which collections our discount is going to apply to. For example, we are going to click on browse, and I'm going to choose the products of my homepage collection. If we keep going down, you can see that we have more options to further customize our discounts, such as if we need any minimum purchase requirements for it, the customer eligibility, the maximum amount of uses it has, the combinations, and lastly here, if we click on set end date, we can choose an expiration date for our discount. For example, I'm going to choose the 29th, and here I'm going to click Save Discount. Now we would have our first discount ready to either post on social media, maybe gift to a friend, or just use however we would like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify, and also that $1 for 1 month one-time deal. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.